What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon. We're chilling at $305.54 right now. It is the 9th of September, about 3 hours and 24 minutes into the new day. We're chilling, looking more and more like a low every single day that we get past this. Hopefully today bears more fruit and we continue to move to the upside. I wouldn't mind just moving day by day like this, right? Continuing to go up. That's a nice kind of trajectory that we have. Anyways, I think we are going to move up. I think it is time to consider, more immediate kind of price targets on the daily, right? And probably every day until we see these targets being hit and surpassed. I'll be talking about them until it happens. 376 to 390, this zone I think is definitely important. It's an area that we found resistance on 2 times before. This was after the low, so this does count as an attempt at the 618. That's another attempt there. So 2 attempts, both resulting in a failure, but we went down to form a higher low here. I'm definitely happy with that low. I don't think we're going to go lower. I really like that it's in tandem. It's very, very well lined up with that low over there. All that to say, the next target area normally would be the 618 to the 69 between 376 and 390 there. And I think it's important to note that area. It is just above this area, these areas of resistance that couldn't quite get there. But oftentimes, whenever you interact with the 618, the golden ratio zone, multiple times like this, by that third interaction, you will just break right through it, and likely you'll actually go to that 786, 886 zone. So I think it might be acceptable this time around to consider that you do break through the 618 and you go up to your 786, 886 area between 410 and 400 and let's just say $35, somewhere around there, right? So that's kind of the area to think about. Personally, that's my target, the next target area. I think that we'll find resistance there, move down, and then move up afterwards. We could just blow right through it, but I don't know. This is just something I think to expect. If not, perhaps we find resistance in this area. Either way, it's just going to be a peak along the way to higher peaks and higher prices and breaking out of this trend as a whole. So I don't know. That's all I got to say. I don't think there's anything else that we need to address. Daily RSI is not looking the best right now, but it can look better, especially as time goes on. And it is more bullish than it is bearish to bounce without even interacting with the oversold zone. It's definitely a bullish thing, and I like this kind of trend in the RSI that you have as well. The 4-hour RSI looks wound up and ready to go to the upside too, but this one, they both look kind of sickly. I would suppose you're not going to get stronger looking RSIs until you start seeing prices a little deeper in that $300 territory, not so shallow like it is now. Anyways, that's what I got. That's all. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I am ready for this triple bottom to play out, this whatever it is to play out, this whole phase of consolidation here. I'm ready for the next move up. I don't know about you guys. And just for one more time, just for the end of the video here, from a high point to a low point, that wasn't the high either, by the way. The high is right here, right? 719, 712, yes, 719 here. 936, 1300 on the brain, but if we do anything like these previous 2 moves where we hit the 200 area, the 200 area being up here at the 2, that is $1,900 potentially on the brain, right? Something, anything and everything, I would say really what I would expect is something between $1,300 and $1,900, maybe even a little bit into that $2,000 territory, because each time from this high to low, we went just above the 200 level there. From this high to low, we went just above the 200 level there, right? I wasn't going to draw it, but screw it. We'll draw it just so for anybody that hasn't seen this before, right? Just above the 200 there, high to low here, just above the 200 there. If history repeats itself, perhaps we will see price going just around 2K. But because this is a deeper kind of consolidation phase, a deeper pullback than either of these 2 lows prior, perhaps we just see a normal extended zone being hit. At any rate, I think something above $1,000 is definitely to be expected. I'm personally expecting anything between $1,300 and $2,000 is kind of my going range, but this would do fine too. I don't think anybody would be upset with prices that are above $1,000. So 936, a technical minimum target to hit, but I definitely think we'll be in that $1,000 zone when it comes time for this next move to resolve itself. I want to look at the weekly RSI real quick. Just all these RSIs look so not good, relatively speaking, but they got good things going for them. I would definitely like to see some upside price action take place here soon. So, anyways, that's all I got, guys. I'm just rambling at this point. Hit that like button. You know you want to. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.